Suzhou Pharma Machinery, a leading provider of turnkey solutions for pharmaceutical, food, cosmetic, and chemical industries, participated in the 2018 CPHI exhibition in Abu Dhabi. Specializing in GMP-compliant projects, the company excels in designing CE-certified cleanrooms tailored to healthcare, biotech, and cosmetics sectors. With a quality by design, philosophy, and global project experience, Suzhou Pharma offers professional integration, validation services adhering to international standards, and a dedicated team for efficient execution. Their infrastructure supports comprehensive facility certifications and compliance with local regulations.